Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to place curtain panels inside the curtain wall and randomize them. Instead of placing manually each single panel, instead the curtain wall net, we can speed up the workflow using a Dynamo script. Today I'm going to use Revit 2024 and you need to have a WombatDynamo 1.3.2 package installed inside your Dynamo. So let's watch it. Okay, let's create a curtain wall. I'm going with curtain wall empty so that we can apply our grid on it. Let's make it like 26 meter and let's apply our grid. The vertical one, I'm going with a fixed distance of 1 meter, and the horizontal one, the same fixed distance but 2 meter. All right, here we go. And as a default type of the system panel of the curtain wall, Revit has actually glazed and solid. I'm going to rename this one here to solid copper and duplicate that to a steel. Cool. We are going to use actually these three system panels. Let's change the material of each one here. The glaze, that would be the same. That's okay for that. Solid copper. Let's change the material to copper. And we are going to use render appearance so that we can see all the changes in the 3D view. Okay, and this one, if I choose steel, so let's change the material. Let's look for steel, but it doesn't matter. Let's, I don't know, let's choose chrome plated. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. Now let's start Dynamo. For the first node, let's search for the family type. So I'm gonna search for family.type. As an input, it's looking for the family name. All right, so we're going to choose family.byName node, and let me switch this to manual. For the name of system, for the name of the family, we are going to look for system panel. So I'm gonna bring out a code block and write down here system panel as a string. All right, as you can see, we have glazed, solid copper, and steel. It doesn't matter that you have a wall family system panel. Okay, now we need to select our curtain wall in Revit. So I'm gonna search for select model element, and let's select our curtain wall. So here we have, and I need to look for curtain panel dot by element, this node here. In this case, we bring out like all the curtain panels stored in the curtain wall, right? And for the next one, we need to look for curtain panel dot as family instance. Sorry, family instance, this one. And this way we are actually seeing all the type of the curtain panels. As you can see, we had solid copper and solid steel among all the glazed panels. Now we need to look for a list count to count all the panels. This one here. And we need to look for list cycle and then shuffle. So let's first bring out list cycle and fit this one to the list, and the amount is actually our 104 curtain panel. All right, then we need, as I said before, shuffle. I'm going with this one here, which you can actually manipulate it with the integer and look for new patterns. I'm gonna show it in a second. Okay, let's bring out also integer slider as well. For now, let's set it to 1. All right, and now we need to take items. So I'm gonna look for list dot take items. And our amounts are actually this one here. And as a final note, we'll look for family instance dot set type, this one from the WombatDynamo package. Okay, here is our types, and this one is our instances. Okay, I think we are good to hit run right now. Let's see. Okay, so it's giving me an error. Version failed. Okay, doesn't matter this one here. Let's check out. Yes, actually it's created our pattern of the curtain panels and randomize it. But what it is good about this this dynamo script is that let me shrink this here, and now if I rescale this one a little bit, okay, switch it to automatic and manipulate the numbers, as you can see, you're gonna have different patterns on your curtain panel, curtain wall actually. All right, that's for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.